reason that I woke up one morning and said, I'm gonna pack my car up today and move to Miami. There were definitely times that I could not believe I was making this move and doing this, but now that I've been at West Coast and I've experienced it myself, I totally can see what all of my friends have said about it and all the people that I've met in hospitals that also have gone to West Coast. The class sizes, the hands-on experience you get, the one-on-one time you get with professors. When it ended up working out, I was stoked. There was no reason for me not to choose West Coast. West Coast has provided me with all of the resources I could have ever asked for, ever needed. And the hands-on learning, I got to actually get to learn the but whys. And that bedside manner is such a big part of it. You can practice in, any state. It's not something that you are stuck somewhere. You're stuck doing this. If you work in psych for a little bit, it's not your jam. You can go to peds or go to ER. There's so many opportunities in nursing. And the education and the experience you get here at West Coast quite literally prepares you for any single one of those avenues. There's so much room and so much opportunity that you have accessible to you after getting your BSN here at West Coast University. And it's worth it. It's worth it to just do it and take that risk, make that leap, and you won't regret it.